Got a Ford Ranger? Need a tough tonneau cover? You're in the right place. Today, we're checking out the best hard tri-fold tonneau covers for the Ford Ranger. These covers look sharp and keep your gear protected. Some are sleek and low profile, others are built tough for serious use. So, let's jump in and find the best one for your Ranger. Coming in at number 5 is the Lanotech Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. This one is made for the 5-foot 1-inch bed on Ford Ranger models from 2019 through 2026. It uses high-strength aluminum for a solid and durable build. It can support up to 500 pounds. The cover also helps protect your gear from rain, snow, dirt, UV rays, and impacts. The matte black finish gives the Ranger a clean look too. Installation is pretty simple. You get a no-drilling setup with strong clamps. There is also a built-in LED light, which is a nice touch when you need to find stuff at night. It folds up easily and does not take much effort to use. Some owners say it fits well and looks great on the truck. Others like how sturdy it feels for the price. A few owners have reported some water getting into the bed. The instructions could also be better. Still, if you want a strong hardcover with easy installation and useful extras, this Lanotech is a solid starting pick. Let's see what the next cover brings to the table. Coming in at number 4 is the Just V Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover, and this one steps things up from our number 5 pick. It fits Ford Ranger models from 2019 through 2026 with a 5-foot bed. It uses fiberglass panels with a honeycomb core for added strength and rigidity. The reinforced hinges and sturdy latches help keep the cover locked down tight. You can also open 2/3 of the bed when you need more space. Installation is quick and does not require drilling or special tools. The clamp system makes setup and removal pretty easy. This cover is also built for rough weather. It helps keep your bed protected from rain, snow, wind, and sun. At highway speeds, it is designed to stay firm without flapping or bouncing. Owners like the rugged build and easy operation. One owner said it installed in minutes. Another said it fits great and looks sharp. There is one thing to watch for though. Some trucks may have bed trim that interferes with the clamps. That could require some adjustment. Overall, this is a strong step up with a rugged design, secure latches, and a quick setup. Now let's see what takes the number 3 spot. Moving up to number 3 is the Gator EFX Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. This one takes things up another notch from the Just V. It fits Ford Ranger models from 2019 through 2025 with the 5-foot bed. The flush design gives the truck a clean look. It also adds solid cargo security. Installation is quick and does not require drilling. Gator says you can get it installed in less than 30 minutes. The single cable pull also makes opening the cover easy. This cover is built for all kinds of weather. It helps keep rain, snow, dirt, and dust out. The locking system is tucked underneath too. That adds another layer of security for your gear. You also get adjustable GER Aldi cargo keepers. They help stop tools and other gear from sliding around. Owners really like the fit and build quality. One owner said installation was easy and the instructions were clear. Another had the cover for over a year and was impressed with its durability. Some owners did need small adjustments during installation. Still, the overall feedback is very positive. With a low-profile design, quick setup, and strong weather protection, this Gator EFX is a serious upgrade. Now let's see which cover takes the number 2 spot. Now we're at number 2 with SKEXI Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. This one brings even more convenience than the Gator EX. It fits 2024 through 2026 Ford Ranger models with the 4.6-foot bed. Installation is a big selling point here. It needs no drilling and no special tools. One person can install it in about 20 minutes. It also works with bed liners and should not damage the truck bed. The one-pull auto lock makes securing the cover quick. You also get one-hand squeeze latches for easy opening. The cover uses aerospace-grade fiberglass and a PP honeycomb core. That gives it a strong and sturdy build. It also helps protect your gear from rain, snow, wind, and UV rays. The full-fold design keeps the cover low profile. It also helps reduce wind noise, vibration, and rattling at highway speeds. Owners really like the factory-like fit. Several say it looks professionally installed. They also praise how sturdy and easy to use it feels. One owner said the rain protection worked really well. The instructions can be a little unclear, but installation videos help. SKEXI also backs the cover with a 5-year warranty and a 30-day return guarantee. With quick installation, strong security, and a premium build, this is a big step up from number 3. But there is still one cover left. Let's see which one takes the top spot. And now, taking the number 1 spot is the FeeTUO Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. This one is our top pick for the Ford Ranger. It fits 2019 through 2026 Ranger models with the 5-foot bed. It uses PP honeycomb and FRP panels for a strong and sturdy build. The panels also have a scratch-resistant and UV protective finish. FeeTUO says the cover can handle up to 500 pounds of impact. It also helps protect your gear from rain, snow, and other road conditions. The quick-release clamp system makes the cover easy to use. You can fold it into thirds when you need to haul taller items. Installation is also super easy. No drilling is needed. It can take just 10 to 15 minutes to install or remove. Owners really like the fit and build quality. Several say it seals well and stays dry during rain. One owner even took it through a car wash with very little water getting inside. Another has used it for months through heavy snow and ice. The latches are also easy to adjust and store. Compared with the SKEXI at number 2, FeeTUO offers broader 2019 through 2026 fitment and a faster installation time. It also gives you easy folding access for larger cargo. There is one important note. It does not fit Rangers with the factory utility track system or a roll bar. But if your truck is compatible, this cover checks a lot of boxes. It is strong, easy to install, and built for everyday use. That is why FeeTUO earns our number 1 spot. And that wraps up our list of the best hard tri-fold tonneau covers for the Ford Ranger. Hopefully, this guide helped you find the right cover for your truck. For current prices and more details, check the links in the description. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more truck gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.